How many times have you taken a tool like this, a Phillips screwdriver, and you go to take a screw out, and you butter the screw all up, and then you really have a hard time getting it out. I just really hate it when that happens. Then you're in there with vice grips or something trying to get the screw loose. It's a real pain. So a lot of manufacturers of newer stuff have kind of solved that problem with Torx, which like on this Edelbrock carburetor, they have this tool that it looks like this on the top. Instead of being a Phillips, that fits down in the screw. So here we go with this. This right here is a Torx that's on this Edelbrock carburetor, and this thing, it unscrews like this, and it's pretty nice because that'll never strip out with a like a Phillips would. The other place you see these deck screws. They're becoming very common on deck screws because the like drywall screws are almost always, which are similar, almost always Phillips, and I've screwed up so many of them. But this is the same thing. It's a T25 size, and it screws the deck screw. So the Torx is a very useful tool. Oh yeah, one other thing I want to talk about. These Torx also have sometimes the Torx screw will have a little peg sticking up in the middle of it, and then you can't get the wrench down in there because there's a peg in there and you can't fit it in. What that is a security screw. It's so people don't disassemble the stuff. You see that in public bathrooms in the U.S. anyway. You see in public bathrooms on the stalls, they put them together, and maybe people steal those things. I don't know. But here's the tool. It has a little hole in the middle of it, and that's so you can use it on a security Torx screw. And it doesn't hurt to have a set of these around as well, although on a car you probably wouldn't see too many of these, but I see them on things occasionally, so I have a set. They're not real expensive. You can buy these at the discount tool stores like this. This was probably, oh, this is a Cobalt set. It came from Lowe's, and so I mean that's probably not real expensive, and probably pretty good quality. And if you buy a set, the ones that have the hole in the middle, they will work on the standard ones. So maybe just buy all of them that are for security in case you run into that. So kind of an overview of the Torx, or some people call them star wrenches.